Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today we're talking about the electronic parking brake, or EPB, on your Chevy Silverado. This handy feature replaces the old handbrake lever with a simple button for convenience and safety. Sometimes after changing your battery or a random glitch, you might see a brake warning light or find the EPB isn't working right. That's when a quick reset can help. Don't worry, resetting the EPB is fast, easy, and totally DIY. No special tools needed, just a few minutes and you're good to go. Let's get started and I'll show you how to reset your EPB with confidence. Before you start the EPB reset, make sure your Silverado is parked on a flat, level surface. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any unexpected movement during the process. Double check that nothing is blocking the wheels and that the truck is stable. Using wheel chocks is a good idea for extra security. Next, locate the ignition, the brake pedal, and the electronic parking brake switch. The EPB switch is usually a button marked with a P inside a circle. If possible, check your battery voltage. A weak battery can interrupt the reset and cause issues, so make sure it's fully charged. Take a moment to read through all the steps before you begin. Being familiar with the process will help you feel more confident and avoid mistakes. Don't forget safety gear like your seatbelt and make sure you're prepared for each step. Once you've completed these checks, you're ready to move on to the EPB reset steps. Let's reset your Silverado's electronic parking brake. This quick process can be done at home. Just follow these steps. Sit in your Silverado, close all doors, and turn the ignition to on. Don't start the engine. Press and hold the brake pedal firmly. Press the EPB switch down to release the brake, holding for 3 seconds. Pull up on the EPB switch to apply the brake, holding for 3 seconds. Repeat this release and apply cycle 2 more times. Turn off the ignition and wait 30 seconds. Turn the ignition back on and check for EPB warning lights. If none appear, your reset is complete. Once you've finished your repair or reset, it's time to check your work. Start your engine and keep a close eye on the dashboard as all the indicator lights come on for a moment. This is called the bulb check, and it's a great way to make sure all your warning lights are working properly. After a few seconds, most of the lights should turn off automatically. If the brake warning light goes out after the bulb check, congratulations! You've done everything right and your repair was successful. Next, test the electronic parking brake. Pull up on the switch to engage it and press down to release. Watch the dashboard to make sure the EPB light turns on and off as expected. This confirms the system is responding to your commands. But what if the brake warning light stays on or the EPB light doesn't respond the way it should? Don't panic. Sometimes the reset just needs to be repeated. Try the reset procedure one more time, following each step carefully. Double check that all connections are secure and nothing was missed. If the warning light is still stuck on after a second attempt, there may be a deeper hardware or sensor issue that requires professional attention. It's always better to be safe than sorry, so don't hesitate to call a certified mechanic or your dealership for help. Remember, ignoring persistent brake warnings can put your safety at risk. Brakes are one of the most important systems in your vehicle, so always take warning lights seriously and address them promptly. Hopefully your efforts paid off and you were able to fix the issue yourself, saving both time and money. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of a job well done and a warning-free dashboard. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay safe, stay curious, and we'll see you next time.